Let's see if we can see anything suspicious. I'm looking for a bad solder joint. Don't really see anything. It looks pretty good. It's got some strange scratches in it. One thing I did do is I lubed all the controls and switches. So, but I don't see anything really obvious here. So either the amplifier module is going out, which is unlikely, or maybe one of the capacitors is shorted. Alright, so this is a 35 volt 2200. This is a 35 volt 1000. And those should be pretty easy to come by. Let's see. Of course, not axial. Let's see. I sprayed the switch too, in case. We could probably use a TDA 2030, 2040, 2050, and any of those would probably work. I'm leaning towards thinking maybe it's the gain control. I had an issue. So we'll reassemble this and see what it does. The caps, would have to pull the whole thing all over again to change them, or I could clip them, which I don't really want to do. What I would probably want to test these out of the circuit to see if there's something wrong with them. So I think that might be what I'll do. Lift one leg, test it with a capacitor meter, and just see what we get. If we get anything funny, you know, usually that's not going to be the problem. There's a possibility there could be something wrong with this 4558P. It's a Texas Instruments chip. It's just a gain stage for this thing. So, interesting. Can't find any specifications on their amplifier schematic, but it might be out there somewhere if I look really hard.